Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I was out in the country today. I bought a corn stalk. I'm so excited. It barely fit in my car. This thing was like 6 feet long and had to go this way, and my poor husband. He actually had to sit with the corn stalk like right next to him, but it's a fun way to decorate outdoors. And it was only like $6. I got some tomatoes, and then I came home and I started cleaning. I got candles burning, and I actually got a request from a viewer about what is the best way to utilize home fragrance from Bath and Body Works? And that's a great question because we have so many different ways. We have candles, we have wallflowers, we have concentrated room sprays. All of them are really good options. So with the 40% off sale, I thought I would talk about this. So, for the most part, I am a big candle burner. I obviously have a lot of Bath and Body Works candles. There's a little vampire blood going on. Vlogtober here. I'm burning Halloween candles. I love the candles. I have a pretty big living room. I light a candle, put it in my living room either to review or enjoy. And I feel like the scent fills the room, and you also get the ambiance of having the candle burning. So I feel like it's kind of a fun, way to have home fragrance because you've got the burning candle and you've got the fragrance that fills the room. I also like to do patio candles, especially with this gorgeous weather. In the summer, in the evening, I will go outside and read. I will set a candle next to me, and you can get really good fragrance off a candle burning outside. I do it all the time. It's one of my favorite ways to actually burn a candle. So I am a huge fan of candles. Obviously, I also have a warmer, which is a light that goes on top of the candle. Again, gives off really nice ambiance. If you don't like an open flame, or for whatever reason you don't like burning candles, the warmer works great. I love my warmer. I swap back and forth, and it's very cozy. So I do love the warmer. Then you have your wallflowers. So I feel like there's a huge fan club for the wallflowers. Now, these are the things that fit inside the plugs. And let me tell you, Bath and Body Works goes full on with the designs on the plugs, so much so that you got to kind of put yourself in check and go, do I really need all these wallflower plugs? Because they're adorable. I bought this one during the 40% off sale, and I'm like, oh, it's so cute. This is a little, it's like the Mrs. Claus's cocktail. I had to get it. So I got that. By the way, I am seeing on Instagram that we are supposed to be getting a giant trolley candle holder, and then there is a clock this year with like a nutcracker in it. Oh my gosh, I'm going a little overboard here. On Christmas, which I wasn't gonna do, as many of you know, I got this one yesterday. I'm loving it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm in trouble. So, the wallflowers are a great choice. A lot of people have these in every room of their home. They work really well in bathrooms and kitchens. You get the cooking smells. They just work really well. This is Honeycrisp Apple. I do not use these on a regular basis in my home because I'm reviewing so much. So a lot of times if I'm either having guests over or if I'm cleaning, I'll plug one in for a couple of hours, let the scent kind of flow, and then I'll take it out. But I'm not someone who uses these 24/7, and you don't have to. They're, something that you can use for a couple of hours, or you can plug them in. They're supposed to last a couple of weeks, and a lot of people just swear by them. They love them. And they do give off a pretty steady aroma. Someone was actually commenting that none of the new Christmas plugs are scent control, which is interesting because I was like, wait a minute, are they getting rid of the scent control? I'm kind of wondering that too, where you have the low, medium, and high for the plug. So that's another way. Then we have our concentrated room sprays. Oh my gosh. So I just got cookie butter truffle. I got fresh balsam, which you can spray on your artificial Christmas tree. And I got sweater weather. I love my concentrated room spray. I use them all the time. They're great in the laundry room. They're great in the kitchen. They're great in the bathroom. And they're also really good in like a linen, not a linen closet. I don't use them in my linen closet because I keep my towels in there. But like a coat closet. Because sometimes you get like that stale kind of scent just because you get your winter boots in there. So sometimes I'll do a little spritz after I clean the coat closet. Cookie butter truffle is great in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, absolutely wonderful. One spray, oh yeah, one or two sprays will do you. These are not Glade. You shouldn't be like all over the house. No, one or two sprays, that will be enough. They're very natural smelling. I'm a huge fan. I'll spray my garbage can. Love it. Another favorite of mine is almond croissant. I love, oh my gosh, campfire donut for fall. The fall ones are kind of my favorite. The one I don't like for Christmas, believe it or not, crushed candy cane is too intense for me in the concentrated room spray. I don't know why. I sprayed it one year and it was so overpowering. I had to like leave the room for like 3 hours. I tend to like the foodie ones. I like pumpkin apple. I like 'tis the season. Fresh balsam, like I said, I like to put on my Christmas tree. I did get sweater weather this year. I might actually gift this one. I don't know why I got it, but I was like, I'll try sweater weather. But I do tend to like more of the foodie scents in the kitchen. And then for the bathroom, like Book Loft is a good bathroom scent, actually. So I do kind of tend to mix it up a little bit. Another way that you can spread scent through your home, and this is my own little creation, you can use the body cream. I don't use the body butter. I don't use the lotion. I only use the body cream. Put it on a terry cloth, washcloth, and then you can just wipe down all of your furniture. And I always say, I don't have expensive furniture. I do have a bedroom set that I've had for 27 years. And it was a fairly decent one back in the day. I've been using the cream on it for probably 10 years. Looks amazing. I don't like furniture polish. Lemon Pledge, no. I just do not like it. It smells too pungent. It makes me cough. And I feel like this does the trick. I have an old cedar chest, and when I clean, I just take a little bit of this, rub it on, cedar chest, gets all the scratches out, shines it up, and then my whole room is going to smell like today I used Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. So it's a really nice way to add fragrance to a room without being like overpowering. Some people don't like the concentrated room spray. Some people don't like the wallflowers. This is a really neat way to add fragrance to your home. We also have those aromatherapy like mist. I don't use those either. If I want like a little bit of scent around my house, other than like the cream, sometimes I will use just a fine fragrance mist. And if like I have guests coming over or something and I don't want to use a concentrated room spray because I feel like they might be sensitive to scent, I might just spray a little bit of the fragrance mist because it's a little bit lighter and it doesn't linger in the air quite as much, but it just gives a little freshness, which I love. So I will use these in my rooms. I love them. I love, like, I just had strawberry snowflakes on my desk. This is a good one, by the way. I think this is coming back this year, by the way. Oh my gosh, when your room smells like strawberry snowflakes, it's so nice. So yeah, that's kind of my routine. I wanted to kind of go through all of the ways that you can freshen up your room with scent. And yeah, especially with me being like a candle reviewer, body care reviewer, I tend not to burn or spray too much in here while I'm reviewing because I want the scent to stay very concentrated so I can smell it and give a good review. But I do use fragrance in about every room of my house. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. It was kind of fun to put together this video. Anyway, let me know your favorite ways to fragrance your home from Bath and Body Works, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye bye.